Welcome back, guys. So we're down here today with a video of my Wltoys 12428B, and it's had quite a few things done to it now at this point. It's got a Hobbywing ESC, which you can see there. It's a 1060. It also has, see if I can grab it real quick and show you. As you can see down there, I had to cut the casing, but it also has a 550 brush motor in it now too. It's got probably, I think they're about 2.2s wheels on it now. It's quite a lot wider because it has 20mm hub extensions to fit it on. So we're going to give it a go and see how well it does now. Not sure how well it's going to perform, but hopefully it performs better. First thing we're going to do is see how well it does through this now. Last time I come through here it got hung up constantly. It's still got hung up. There it goes. Going to pick up a stick. That's great. See if we can do it with a stick. It actually did that fairly easy. We have quite a steep incline here. I'm not sure if you can tell how steep it is on the camera, but it pretty much goes straight up. I'm not sure if it's going to get up it, but we're going to try it and see how well it does. Try and get a better angle. I don't know if it's going to do it. Oh! Holy heck, it did it. That's the first car I have that's actually made it up that. That's crazy. That is so steep. You can see how steep it is as it goes to pick up the front wheels. See? It still made it up. Now I'm just going to give it to it. I'm going to launch it up it. Ready? Just for the fun. And it did a backflip. Alright, on to the next section. You see how well it does up this section. The plan is to go up it along this bit. Up here. And along. The last time I come up here with the car, I rolled it off the edge and into the water. As you can see, the creek's right here. So hopefully we don't have another repeat of that, because last time we did it, it wasn't very happy. That's a lot different. It's a different car now, so let's see how it goes. The only thing is the steering. It's driving me insane. I have to try and find a stronger servo or something. Or maybe it's the steering servo saver. I should have a look at that. Because I can hear the steering moving, but the wheels don't. Not the wheels, sorry. I can hear the servo moving, but the wheels don't move. Okay, it might be too wide to get up this now. I fit up here before. Oh, down we go. But this time it didn't land in the water. Let's see how it goes like this. I don't know if it's going to get up this bit, but it just walked up the other bit. Oh, no flip. It's a long way to fall. It landed in the water, but only just. I don't think it went anything. Keep driving. Let's try that again. Might try to hold more speed up it. Or not. The wheels are wet now, so it's not making it up. Oh, there we go. Come back to this bit. And down it goes again. I'm saving it this time. Let's try it again. I think it can do it. I think I just have to try and figure out the best route. It always clips. Most of the time it lands on its wheel. No! Okay, this time it landed fully in the water. I don't think it's going to do it. Now that the wheels are wet, it's not even getting... Nah, I don't think I can do it now that it's all wet. Just get it run up and hit it hard. No, it can't do it now that it's wet, damn it. Let's see if we can drive it along the edge of this hill without rolling it off into the water again. It's already been in the water once at this point. Doesn't have a waterproof servo. Hopefully it survives. It is quite wide, as you can probably see. It should be able to take the off-camber stuff as long as it doesn't slide, which is very gravelly there. Oh, we're already on the edge. Oh no. It's going. But it didn't land in the water. Let's give that another go. Alright, one last go. Try and drive up higher and see how it goes. Try and not let it get us close. So it just slides off the edge. Oh. Are you going to turn? Yes. We're sliding. There's a big rock on the other side that we can't get over. Oh, we're not stuck on that stick. Oh my, it's so close to going. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it actually made it. Now can we get up here? I don't know if I can get it up there. If it flips there, it's going straight into the water 100%. Into the water. Oh my god. Look at it. It's literally hanging off the edge. It would have gone straight into the water. And it's pretty deep too. Okay, that's enough. We're not doing that anymore. Let's see if we can get it up this wall. It's not going to go up, so we're not going to be able to crawl up it. We can just give it full throttle and hope for the best. Oh, tumble. Come on now. I was hoping I could save it. Gonna do a little trail run now, see how it goes. Don't actually know how we're going to get up this. Okay, we're not doing that. Alright, somehow I got it up there. Joke, it didn't get up there, I had to put it up there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it didn't get up. It's pretty much hanging off the cliff at this point. Probably should open. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but I just did a backflip basically. Not intentionally. Pretty lucky it didn't backflip off the cliff that we're standing on right now. Alright, so that's all I've got for today. Just took the Wltoys out for a quick little run after I've done all the mods. It seems to be performing pretty good. It surprised me. Pretty much done with all the mods that I can do to it, that are worth doing to it at least. And it's running, so that's a good thing. I might put a 3-cell LiPo in it. I don't know yet. Not sure if I can be bothered. But anyway, we're sitting up here on top of the cliff now, looking down. We started down there pretty much. We ended up here. Not sure how much of it actually crawled, to be honest. But I'll find out when I watch the footage. Alright guys, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. It helps us tremendously, and drop a comment down below on what I can do next, because at this point I'm pretty much out of ideas. I've got another car coming soon for an unboxing, and we'll see how that one goes, and then after that, I don't know. I'm thinking about doing a speed run series of just the cheapest. I think I might buy a HSP buggy, so pretty cheap, and then a cheap ESC and motor, and see what speeds we can get for the price. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. Catch you in the next one.